In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use the motion tracker in Violence District Roblox. Intro. Now, first things first, from the lobby, you do need to make sure that you equipped it. So make sure you equip the motion tracker as a survivor item for your survivor item slot before the match even starts. And then, of course, during the match itself, you just need to activate the motion tracker to detect sounds made by the killer and help reveal when they are getting close to you. Just pay attention to the beeping while you use it. Kind of sounds like, and this is going to sound horrible, beep, but it kind of sounds like that. The faster the motion tracker starts beeping, the closer the killer is to your location, so just keep that in mind. And then you can, of course, use this while repairing some of the generators, or say you're moving around the map just to get an early warning that the killer is approaching. It's especially useful, in my opinion, for escaping. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.